Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can utilize affiliate marketing to help you launch your first membership course business, your first course in 2024. It's an established technique that has a lot of possibilities, but also you need to know some of the basic facts to stand any chance of utilizing this marketing technique to help you launch your first course. Got a ton of experience at WP-Tonic advising people around this particular subject. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So, affiliate marketing, what is it? What are some of the key things you need to know? This is going to be a quick 101 introduction into the whole topic. If you want to know more, I've written a very extensive post. You find the link in the video description underneath this video. Goes into everything in a lot more detail. God, I'm losing my voice. And I'm sure you're going to find that a great resource. So here, I'm just planning to give a quick outline. Now, there's about 3 or 4 main techniques that are really going to help you launch your first course. Having an email list doesn't have to be a large one, but a one that's really targeted at your perfect persona, student, customer. That's what you're looking for. That's really helpful. Having a consistent presence on forum groups, Facebook groups around the subject for the past 6 months to a year, that really helps. Having a reasonably active YouTube channel and putting content on there 6 months before the launch and building up a small audience. It doesn't have to be large. Putting that content also on LinkedIn as well and on X, formerly known as Twitter. These are all excellent ideas about promoting and building an audience which you can sell your first course to. That doesn't mean that you got to spend an enormous budget on Google ads or Facebook ads. Now, another pillar is affiliate marketing. Now, one thing you need to know is there's different ways of approaching this. If you've done all the things which I've just outlined, you can consider marketing those people not only as your first students, but also they can be affiliate associates. And you can, if you're using WordPress, and I think you should be, there's a couple of excellent WordPress plugins that you can utilize to set up your affiliate platform. There's a second way to do this. This is to use SaaS-based affiliate platforms that already have a community of affiliate professionals that basically make their living, and some of them, or considerable group of them, make a very good living in the promoting of affiliates that they sign up to. These platforms have a whole group of people and they promote the best deals to these people and they charge a percentage on top of what you're giving to the affiliate. You don't have access to their list, but they already have a group of hardcore affiliates on them, which is a good thing and a bad thing. The bad thing is these people are professionals at it. They will only promote. If you haven't got a track record in digital marketing and you haven't got a sizable presence on the internet, even if you offer your course is a reasonably high ticket course cost, so you can offer quite a large affiliate sum, it is unlikely that they're going to touch you. And what I mean by that, they want somebody that can provide a audience buzz, marketing chops, which they can piggy bank and also market to their own tribe. Um, and I'm not saying they won't, because if the affiliate amount is large and attractive, and it looks like you've done a reasonably good job in your write up and how you set up your affiliate um, promotion, there's a good chance that some of these big hitters might sign up. A third way is really very similar to kind of building your presence 6 months before you do your first launch, is building relationships with strong online influencers in the particular niche that you're doing your first course in. And I've made a load of videos where I've say that if this is your first gig in building courses and e-learning, you really want to concentrate on a niche area. You do not want to go broad. You want to go narrow. Now, I've written, like I said before, a really extensive post about affiliate marketing, and you'll find the link, like I say, in the video description. You can also book a free initial consultation with me on the WP-Tonic website, and I can try and help you as much as I can. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell, and also subscribe to the channel. It really encourages to make more content for you that you're going to find helpful. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.